Hello Affinity designers. In today's quick tip, we're going to look at the difference between the textured intensity brush and the textured image brush in the designer persona. For this demonstration, I have imported this brush made of squares, and I've created on the top an intensity brush and on the bottom an image brush. And you'll notice that the top brush is black and white. What actually happens when you are making a textured intensity brush is that the colors of your brush will be converted to not just a grayscale, but actually a mask. So white will be opaque and black will be transparent. A textured image brush, however, will retain the colors of the original design. You can notice that when I draw on top of the color with the colored square brush, I can't see through it, but when I do it with the textured intensity brush, I can see through the top layer to the squares below. When no color is applied to the stroke for an intensity brush, it'll just be black and white, but you can change that to tints of any color you choose. For the textured image brush, however, when you select the stroke and then alter the color, it's going to remap the various tones, preserving the black and white and then giving a color to the other values, but they will be opaque, not transparent, unlike the intensity brush. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you did, give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel, and we'll see you next time.